Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be diving into some fresh new products that Sweetie Nails has to offer, and we're going to be testing out the High Fix Gel from Liuhwa, and I'm so excited. And what's more intriguing, not only are we going to be playing with the High Fix Gel, but we're also going to be playing with some amazing dual forms. Now you might be asking yourself, what is a High Fix Gel? And think of it as a builder gel. What it's going to do is it's going to help reinforce your natural nails, giving it that ideal overlay of that strength. It's going to also build up structure, and you're going to be able to use it with dual forms to create like the ultimate length. So if you're looking to level up your nail structure game, or you love a good builder gel or a builder gel that is actually super easy to use, then the new High Fix Gel from Liuhwa just might be for you. So for today's video, we're going to do an unboxing. I'm going to show you all 4 colors in the High Fix Gel. Then we're going to touch base on the dual forms, and then I'm going to show you how I utilize the product on a dual form so you can see the whole process from start to finish on one nail, so you can get a good visual on how this product performs. So right off the bat, I'm already loving the packaging. Look how clean that cover is coming off. That for me, that is absolutely everything and very refreshing, especially if you saw my last video when we tested a whole bunch of Pat gels. I love when the packaging just comes off easily, because then we can just dive right into the product and it just comes off so clean, leaving it with little to no mess at all. All right, so let's dive into the rest of the colors and unbox them, and then we'll get into the dual forms here in just a moment. Now these 4 colors are absolutely gorgeous. I really just love that beautiful neutral color palette. And then up next we have a couple spatulas. These are awesome. I'm going to open one up so you can see it has like a scoop kind of style spoon, so you could easily pick up the product, and you could also use this when you are filling in that dual form. So I'm going to show you how this works with the High Fix Gel as well here in just a moment. But I really like just how it has like a slight little like spoon style right there. I feel like that's going to make it really easy just to grab some of that gel, and then you have like the flat side of the spatula that you can use to smooth out that product in the dual form. Now the hardest part about today is going to be probably picking out which color we're going to be using. They're all so beautiful, but we're only going to pick out one. But before we dive into that High Fix Gel, let's touch base on the dual forms and then pick out which dual form we're going to be using today. So the first one, this is considered the ballerina shape, and I was actually really surprised that you get 150 dual forms in this one kit. I was not expecting to see all the different sizes. There's a large array of sizing. You're definitely going to find the nail that fits right for you. And another thing that I noticed is that they also do include a spatula in here as well. So that is a nice bonus. All right, so let's take a closer look at the ballerina. So I'm noticing right off the bat, it feels very different than your traditional dual form. It's thinner in a way that it just feel like this is going to fit really nicely on your natural nail. I feel like this tip was definitely customized and made for that natural nail, just to make it snug and just fit right on there. I really like how natural it's looking. It also has a really nice apex on there as well. So this is the largest nail in the kit. This is the 0, and each dual form is also labeled. The ballerina one has the number right on the tip of the nail. And then right now I'm just kind of looking to see what size is going to work best for me. So I'm just kind of sizing everything. So you can see right here, it still is hanging over the sidewall there. So I'm going to go ahead and put that one back. That was the 5. And then we're going to go in with the 6. And for me personally, the 6 fits perfectly for me. And overall, such a really nice dual form. I really like how it fits right at the cuticle line. It's more thinner on the cuticle line, so I feel like that's going to help really reduce that bulk aspect of it when you're playing with the dual forms, because this is just a really nice dual form. I wish I could just put this dual form right through the screen for you so you could actually feel this, because this is by far the most comfiest dual form I have ever played with. So one of the dual forms that's really intriguing me is this really long, beautiful stiletto. So I figured let's dive into the stiletto today and try it out to see how it performs with that high fix gel. So that again, the 0, this is going to be the biggest one in the kit. Again, we're still pulling in that same beautiful thin dual form. It's also very thin, the same style at the cuticle line as well. The numbers are a little bit higher up on this one, so we have the number right on just like the middle of the nail there, right up below the cuticle line. So again, this is going to be the 0, and you can see we have a beautiful apex as well. But overall, I'm very intrigued by these, and I just feel like these are very highly innovated for a dual form, and I feel like we might get some really good results with this. So I'm just sizing up here for the 5 here for the thumb, just kind of seeing how that is fitting and seeing if we have anything over the free edge. We had a little bit, so I'm going to adjust. And again, the sizing is very consistent. So I was a 6 with the ballerina tips and a 6 with the stiletto. So let's go in with the stiletto today to see how they perform. But before we do that, I just want to do just a little bit of cuticle prep. So I'm going to go in with the milk remover from Jello Jello. I applied that right to the cuticle line. I let that sit for about 2 minutes just to really soften the skin. And then I'm just going in with a cuticle pusher, and we're just going to just gently clean up that cuticle area. However you do your cuticle prep, just go in with that. And then once cuticle prep is done, I went ahead and cleanse the nail with a lint-free wipe with a little bit of rubbing alcohol. And then for this purpose of this video, I am going to go in with the Jello Jello peel off. This is a game changer. I love the Jello Jello peel off, especially when I'm working with extensions, or if I am doing a set that I want to last, but I don't want it to be such a struggle to pop off. I love the Jello Jello. So what you do is you just apply it like you would do your gel base or gel top coat, apply that to the entire nail, and then cure for a full 60 seconds. And now that we have that peel base on, we're ready to go. So I'm going to go in with the Dewey gel base, and I'm just going to apply a very thin layer of the gel base to the entire nail. Now the Dewey gel base is a total game changer. I've been using this since springtime last year, and I'm loving it. I love the formula. I love the brush. So the formula is a little bit on the thicker side, but just make sure when you are using this product, you basically are wiping all the product off the brush, and then you're going to get a really good, clean, thin application. And the formula is absolutely amazing. It is one of my top 3 favorite gel bases, and it's amazing. All right, so now that we went ahead and cure that for 30 seconds, we're gonna go in with number 3. This is gonna be that ruby pink. Once I saw this pink, I was like, okay, I was debating between that beautiful white and the pink. I was like, let's just go in with the pink. And we're gonna go in with that beautiful, just stiletto tip. So before we go in and just start playing with it, I just wanna see what the viscosity is. And you can see it is a very thin, it's floating right off the spatula and going right back in. I feel like this is going to be a great formula for beginners, because sometimes when you're working with builder gels, they can tend to have like a stiffness to them, and they're really hard to just get any of those air bubbles out. I feel like this is a really good formula. I really like this style of viscosity when I'm playing with a builder gel kind of style. All right, so I'm going in with that spatula, and I'm just going to start, and I'm just going to scoop a little bit of product and start right below the cuticle line and just fill everything in. So I'm going to start working with the spatula first. I went in with a little bit of product, and then I will build up the product as we go. I am going to alternate between the spatula that we're using today and a flat brush. Now, if you look closely at the dual form, there's different lines and indicators on there, so you can fill to your desired length. But I want to see what this looks like with this full, long, beautiful, sharp stiletto. So we're just going to go ahead and fill this entire dual form, because I really want to see what this looks like to its full potential. Now the product is moving around really nicely in the dual form. It's not creating a lot of air bubbles, which is really nice. And you can see we're just easily sliding it around with little to no effort at all. I love that. We're not having any of like that sticky or firmness to it. It's a beautiful formula. All right, so let's continue filling in this dual form and then we're gonna apply it to the nail in just a moment. All right, so now I'm going to apply the dual form. I'm going on a slight angle and then I'm going to slide it all the way up. And then I'm going to make sure it's straight on the nail and I'm just going to gently push down and just make sure that it is touching the natural nail. Now I do have a little bit of product, just a little bit right at the cuticle line. I'm just going to go ahead and clean up with a little bit of a damp flat brush with a little bit of alcohol in it. And then I am going to clean up the underneath side of the nail. I had a little bit too much product where my natural nail met that dual form. So to help prevent that bulk, I'm just going to smooth it out a little bit. Then I'm going to go ahead and flash cure it. I'm holding it down. And then once I do the flash cure and everything is in place, I did do a full 60-second cure in my regular lamp. And then I was pleasantly surprised. This is the moment right here on how easy it was for that dual form to pop off. I just pinched it and it came right off, and we have the most sharpest stiletto that I've ever seen. So we just need to clean it up just a little bit. It's smooth, it's glossy. I'm just gonna go in with a file and just clean everything up a little bit here, but I was not expecting this nail to look this sharp and this glossy right off the bat. I'm here for it. I'm loving it. So I'm just going in with a buffer file here and just filing everything down a little bit and just doing a quick just clean up underneath side of that nail. But this nail, it is sharp. So I'm going in with a lint-free wipe with some alcohol here, and then you can see this true beautiful color. Another way to incorporate this gel, you don't need to use dual forms. You could just use a flat brush and apply this to your natural nails. Just go in with your gel base first and then apply that gel. But another thing that I noticed that I do really like how natural this looks. So if you want to rock this set after you pop off that dual form, and you just want to cover up that smile line just a little bit more, then go in with a light pink or pick a Pat Pat gel and just hit that smile line and just dab it right on the areas of the nail that you just want it to be a little bit less transparent. And it's going to be a total game changer. It's going to take this nail look to the next level. It's super easy. You can see everything's just coming together, and we're not taking away any of the beauty of that beautiful ruby pink that we just applied. It just kind of made the nail just made it just complete, in my opinion. It's a total optional step, but I do love how that turned out. So I went ahead and cured that for 30 seconds. And then to seal everything in, we're just going to finish with the Dewey gel top coat for a glossy finish. I do feel like this would look absolutely stunning with a matte finish as well. But if you're just looking for a beautiful natural set, the High Fix Gel just might be for you. And if you want, you can go ahead and just apply your favorite gel polish color over it as well, because you just built up that beautiful structure. But I am loving how easy this gel was. It's definitely beginner friendly. I just do nails at home and I really liked how this gel performs, and I cannot wait to incorporate it in my nail look. I do want to grow out my nails, so I feel like putting this over my natural nails is definitely going to help build up that structure and strength that I'm looking for. This nail is absolutely sharp. I love the dual forms. They're super easy to use. These dual forms actually give you that natural nail look that I just love, because sometimes when you're playing with dual forms, it just makes your nail look super bulky, and just the dual forms alone combined with the high fix gel was definitely chef's kiss. All right, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. And again, everything that we use in today's video can be found in that description box below. And I'll see you all in the next one.